Okay, so the beginning actually has us going into this learning section right here. So that's nice and might be good to play around with some of those. But right at the moment, see up here where it says editing, right here, click on that. Click on editing. And if it doesn't go back all the way that you would like, just say reset to saved layout. Okay, so now down here on the bottom left, import media to start. Double click on import media to start and select the video footage that you have put in there. Now, to tell you the truth, what I actually kind of like is I like to pick the whole folder and dump it in there. So then I just have a folder and other items that I want to put in, I put in here. So I like to pick the folder and say import. All right, this takes a little bit of time as it imports in your stuff. Now, before we change anything, I want you to go up to Premiere Pro and Preferences and select Auto Save. And I want you to change your auto save to 8 minutes is what I actually like. And you know, if your computer is fast, then you might want to even put it down to 4 minutes to keep things going. It's going to crash on you. Video crashes, so you'll definitely want that. So hit OK. Now, when I double click on our media folder right here, you'll see that we have all of the footage that we want. Okay, so I think the first thing it is when you double click on footage, it opens up top in here in the folder, or in the source window, I should say. And what we've got is I have a scan right here from where I'm actually working right now across a very empty classroom. So I'm going to start it at the very beginning from here. I'm going to hit the I for the in point. And I'm going to go across to there. That's nice. I'm going to hit O for the out point. Then I'm going to hold down the control key and click, or the right click on this thumbnail over here where I was working, and I want you to pick new sequence from clip, and that takes all of this video settings from that and it creates a new sequence. That's actually a really important step that you do.